Yes, my neighbor called the cops on me for parking in my own driveway because it ruined her view. I live in a quiet suburb. My neighbor, Mrs. Miller, is the neighborhood's self-appointed police officer. I bought a brand new Jeep last month. It's a bit big, but it fits perfectly in my driveway. Mrs. Miller came over and told me the Jeep is eyesore, and that it blocks her view of the street when she's drinking her morning tea. I told her, I'm sorry, but it's my driveway. The next morning, I woke up to a tow truck hooking up my Jeep. She had called them claiming it was an abandoned vehicle. I ran out in my pajamas, showed the driver my registration, and he had to let it go. When I confronted her, she said, if you don't move it, I'll find a way to make it disappear. I'm thinking about filing a restraining order, but my husband thinks I'm overreacting. What would you guys do in this situation?